in the cinema.
That's good. The rats invaded the popcorn stand. This popcorn stand is closed, babe.
Sorry, sir. This machine is awaiting repair.
But I still want to eat, honey.
Don't worry, babe. I'll fix it.
How to build the popcorn making machine. Floor 1, the heating chamber. A candle. Floor 2, the popping chamber. Tin can. Floor 3, the stirring kettle. Floor 4, the top cover. Let's get started. Popcorn.
Here's a free gift for you for helping us.
Here you go, babe.
It smells so good. Alex,
We're late. Let's go to the auditorium.
the movie's already started. This is so scary.
What the hell?
My popcorn is all gone. Alex,
I'll go get some more.
2 cheese popcorn,
1 caramel popcorn and 1 snack.
1 matcha popcorn, and 1 Coke.
There are so many people.
Popcorn. Cheese.
Cheese popcorn is ready. Enjoy your popcorn.
Popcorn, caramel, and matcha.
It smells so good.
Yummy. I'll buy all the popcorn flavors.
Coming right up.
Popcorn, cheese, matcha, caramel.
The machine is overloaded. Oh no. The theater is flooded with popcorn now.
What happened? Help me, Alex.
Attention passengers, the train is arriving at Station 3.
This canal is so dirty.
This must be where people dump trash.
No littering allowed here.
Oh no, no dumping allowed.
We must fix our mistake.
How to build the canal cleaning cable cab. Step 1. Build the supporting tower. Bull wheel. The gears. The motor. Connect to the battery box. We will need 4 towers in total. Step 2. Build the garbage mesh. Step 3. Set up the cable. I'll add 4 towers at both ends of the 2 rivers, and then add the cable and 4 garbage meshes.
Wow! The cable car trash cleaning system is done. Let's start cleaning up.
Hooray!
Wow! This cable car is amazing. Whoa, all the trash is gone. Let's take the trash to the dumping site.
The garbage train has arrived.
The train will take them to the landfill. The canals are so clean.
It's beautiful.
What should we do with this cable car now?
Let's turn it into a cable tour. I can see the whole town from here.
Such a clever idea. Wow!
This is so much fun. So delicious. My stomach hurts. Something's wrong with the food.
I need an ambulance. I must investigate this case.
Backyard of the police station.
The water supply was poisoned just as planned. This damn garbage train. I need to destroy it quickly.
What happened?
Your garbage crane is too old, officer.
Then go make a new garbage cleaner now.
I'll do it right away, officer.
How to build the river cleaner robot. Build the garbage truck. Add the grid plate. Add the bucket. Add the motor. Build the moving parts. Add the engines. Add the battery box. Add the support bars. Connect them. Testing. Moving forward and backward. Moving down and up. Tilting backward.
Now I'll replace this garbage crane with my river cleaning robot. River cleaner robot is ready. Let's see how it cleans up the trash. It's done, sir.
There's still more trash over there.
I'll handle it now. I completed the task.
Well done.
Alert! Prisoner escaped.
Oh no.
Oh! Hurry up, you two idiots.
We're free.
Stop right there, you criminals.
Oh no!
Enter the cell.
Did you get arrested too?
I don't know. Please release me.
Oh no.
It worked.
How to build the crushing machine. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build the mill. Install the blade. Install the hopper. Install 2 motors. Step 3. Build the funnels. The funnels. Step 4. Complete assembly. Testing. Jelly.
Oh, that's terrible. I can't be arrested.
What? Where is he hiding? Help, I can't see anything.
What's happening?
Damn it.
Oh my god, Blue. Pay for your crimes.
Let me go. I haven't committed any crime. Easy game. Help me, help me.
Where is this?
Huh?
Hello, welcome to my challenge. 60 seconds countdown begins. Run or die. Come on.
I'm so scared. Run quickly. Oh no, Tom. Oh my god. Lava is really dangerous.
Huh?
How to set up the shapes trap. Step 1. Build the conveyor belt with shapes. Install the gear system. I have 3 conveyor chains. Let's connect them together. Install the motor. Assemble 2 similar conveyor belts. I have prepared 3 pre-cut formics with different shapes. 1 glass panel. And a spike trap. Let's install them onto the conveyor belt. Step 2. Build the lava trap. Set up the fire. I have completed the trap with shapes. Testing.
Huh?
Good idea. You need to be faster. What? I have to break the wall. Yeah, I'm lucky now. Is it not over yet?
Huh? Huh?
Congratulations to you, John. Just a joke.
Inside a ski resort.
Watch out.
Huh?
That's awesome.
How to build the ski gondola lift. Step 1. Build the upper station. The battery box. The bull wheel. Now place the station on the pillars. Step 2. Build the support tower. The support pillars. Cable guide frame. The sheave wheels. Step 3. Build the lower station. The bull wheel. Upper station. Support tower. Lower station. Now build the cabin. Add passengers and test the gondola lift. Yeah, it works.
Give me 1 ticket.
Ooh.
I'll start with the easiest slope first.
Number 1. Working ski hill.
It's too crowded here. So excited. I want to try it out right away. Move aside, kid. I'll go first. Skiing is so easy. Leave now. This area is for kids only.
This guy bullied my son.
Fine. I'll find somewhere else to ski.
Loser.
Idiot.
Number 2. Ski gondola lift.
Awesome. Let's get to the top of the slope. This gondola is so convenient. It's way higher than I thought. so scary.
Hey, coward, watch this.
Nothing to fear.
Oh no. Call the rescue.
The ambulance is here.